Good day and welcome. Today we are going to talk about Perform Fast, which focuses on a module of SAP SuccessFactors, a cloud-based HR solution that caters to most of an HR's needs. It can be divided into three main components: People Analytics, Talent Management, and Employee Central. Today we're going to talk about Talent Management's subgroup, Performance and Goals. These are the core components of Perform Fast. Why performance and goals? Performance and goals are what make or break an organization. If employees don't perform and if they don't know what goals they need to achieve, they will have no purpose within their jobs. Individual goals need to be aligned with organizational goals. If this is not done, there will be no success within the organization. Employees' performance needs to be rated to ensure they stay up to organizational standards. So what does Perform Fast entail? It can be divided into two sections: goal management and performance assessments. Goal management includes the following: a smart goal wizard, a goal library containing 500 plus SMART goals, goal cascading, track goal status, progress, and the probability of success, and mobile goals. Performance assessments include performance reviews, calibration, team radar, a 360-degree assessments and feedback, and writing and coaching assistance. And now finally, we can go on to the demo. Today we will be working with Christine Dolan, the CHRM, Charles Brown, the HR manager, and Anya Singh, the SuccessFactors administrator. And on our mobile phone, we'll be working with Jeff Hill. We're going to start with Christine Dolan, the CHRM. She has decided that the new goal is that all employees need to complete a 360-degree performance review by using the performance assessment tool by the end of the year. She can create this goal by using a few different methods. She can use the goal wizard, which uses the SMART goal method, which divides it into specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals. So you can specifically ensure that all the questions are answered. Then she can create her own goal, or she can go to the goal library and see under all the different departments if her goal is underneath one of the sections there. So for example, if she wants a new goal underneath training and development, she can go look for the different templates that have been created. And there you have it. All employees need to complete a 360-degree review. This goal needs to be cascaded down, which is where you send it to another one of your reports to ensure that they know what to do. So this will be sent to Charles, and Charles will then see what his new goal is and ensure that all his reports do the same thing and achieve the goal. So we're at Charles Brown's goal profile now, and as we can see, he has received the goal from Christine Dolan that all employees need to complete a 360-degree review. So this goal can be edited, and you can determine, you can change the visibility, the name, the date, the status, whether you're on track, behind, completed, or cancelled, and how much has been completed. So you can see there's a little track bar here. You can also add in a few comments to ensure that you guys stay up to date with what is going on with the goals. This goal, he has to send this goal cascaded down again to Anya to ensure that she actually does it. So we're going to send it to Tessa and to Anya to ensure that they complete this goal. Goals can also be added to Outlook, and you can also change the display of everything you see here. So you can take away the comments, and let's take away the aligned up. And there you go. It looks different. And there you can see now which is on track, what is behind, and how far everything has gotten. As you can see, I'm using a browser at this moment, but you can also manage your goals on a mobile device. So we are in Jeff Hill's phone right now. Here you can see Jeff's goals. As you can see, the yearly goal plan is on here, and then the different goals with the same labels as on the computer. On track, behind, the complete status. Let's go see. Okay, the visibility, category, goal name, metric, and you can still add your comments. You can also edit it and change whatever you want to. Here we are at Anya's goal plan. And as you can see, she has received the goal that she needs to do. It's still on track, but it's only completed 20%. So she needs to complete the rest. As you can see, it looks a bit different than Charles and Christine's because she has different goals than theirs. Everyone has a different plan. So she's going to immediately create her 360-degree review. When you go to performance, there are a lot of options. Before I create a 360-degree review, I quickly want to show you how a performance review would look. So on SuccessFactors, a performance review has an easy map of you do a self-assessment, then you send it to your manager, and then there's a rating discussion, and then it's completed. It is divided into goals and competencies, and you get rated on a 5-point scale on if you meet the expectations or not. You can also do all of this on your mobile device. Put in mobile device. So onto the 360-degree review. Okay, there you see there's a 360-degree multi-rater form. As its map isn't like a usual review. It's about self-rating, a manager's rating, and then finding co-workers to also rate you. So Anya is going to rate herself, Charles is going to rate her, and Tessa is going to rate her. And afterwards you have to send it to managers. So we're going to send this to Charles, and hopefully he will approve it. Something else I found very interesting about performance is that the insights, you can see exactly the forms that are completed, and the forms that still need to be completed, and a basic overview of how it looks, what it looks like. So calibration is a basic way of taking out rater biases. So if a manager wants to promote an employee, this is an easy way to have an unbiased opinion to see who would be the best candidates. There are a few different calibration reviews, an annual calibration review, a best run annual calibration review, and the talent review calibration. So we're going to look at this one today. A talent review calibration is a calibration that shows a matrix of performance versus potential. So this is how they perform according to their performance reviews over the potential that their managers feel they have. Here you can see a basic matrix of how many employees fall where on the matrix over overall potential rating versus overall form rating. You can also have a list view where you have the different employees and you get a basic idea of what there is. As you can see, there are a few logos. We'll go into that now. You can also have a big matrix with their faces and the logos, where you can see basically who lies where. If you open a talent card, you can see exactly what is expected or what is known from everyone. So Jada is a very good future leader. Her reason for leaving will be likely to be transferred. Is she an impact of loss? She's a high impact. The risk of loss is very high. She has been nominated for a production director and a talent pool nominations. Says she has high potential. She's in 2 matrices, and as you can see, the one is the competency and objective one, where she lies there, and the performance versus potential, the one we're looking at now, where she lies in the topmost corner. This gives you a basic overview of each employee. You can also see their profiles, their achievements, any comments, and so on. So this is a very good way to make good executive decisions without it being biased. Here you can see that we're back at Charles's performance profile, where you can see Anya's view is here, where he can rate her now on how he thinks she's doing. If there is a difference between the 2 ratings, you can see it here, and whether it is a good difference or a bad difference. There you can see there's a bad difference. You can also leave comments, which is used to coach them and make sure that they have a better performance in the future, where they can improve and what is amazingly done. You can also see a team overview of all the employees, where all the reviews, where it's at, where you still need feedback, where the manager still needs to, where you can see what you still need to do as a manager, and where the reviews are now. Let's just quickly see. Here is an earlier one where you can see everything has been ticked off. Then I'll quickly show you how it looks like to receive a 360-degree review on the mobile phone. We are on Jeff Hill's phone right now. When you receive a 360-degree evaluation, it would look like this. So he received one from James Plain. You can see the instructions. You can see the different criteria. When you want to add a review, you can comment, and you can give a rating from 1 to 5 and even say you are not able to rate. This you can do for all the different requirements, as well as describe a few strengths, development opportunities, and you can give an overall rating. You can also review normal performance reviews on your phone. As you can see, here is his annual performance review for Jeff. As you can see, here is Jeff's annual performance review. Here are the different goals he needed to achieve and the ratings that he got, well, that he gave himself. And then you can also add a few goals with the same categories and same labels. And here are the competencies, exactly the same as we saw on the computer. Then you can send this on to your manager with the comments you want to type to. So today we spoke about the SMART Goal Wizard, the Goal Library and SMART Goals, goal cascading, tracking goal status, progress, and the probability of success, mobile goals, performance reviews, calibration, team rater, 360-degree assessment and feedback, and we touched on writing and coaching assistance. At the end of the day, an organization is nothing without their employees, and with the right system, you can perform better and achieve your goals faster. Thank you.